1. Skimming. If you read in the usual slow, you always get a low marks. So you will not pass the IELTS test. Learn to skim and scan is very important. These reading techniques use rapid eye movement and keywords so that you are able to move fast through text. Skimming is reading rapidly in order to get a general overview of the material. Here is an overview. Read the first paragraph attentively to get an idea of what the text is about. Pay attention to the first few sentences of every paragraph. This will give you the main idea of the text. Always read the last paragraph thoroughly as this normally contains the summary. 2. Scanning. Scanning is reading rapidly in order to find specific facts. The questions in the IELTS reading test will often include dates, names, numbers, and new terms that are part of your answers. When you are scanning, be sure to always underline important specific information and numbers. You do not need to read every word. Look out for information like names, dates, figure, statistics, etc. From the question, identify the keyword and then scan the text for it, and possible synonyms. This will help you find the answer more quickly. It is important to be fast, focused, and alert. You can't allow yourself to be slow and relaxed. You should spend no more than 3 minutes skimming the passage for your test. 3. Don't panic over unknown words. So you have to try to look around at the new word. Maybe the content of the sentence can help you deduce whether it's positive or negative, a person or a job, an animal or a feature. Prefixes can help. Un means cancel an action, re means repeat, or wise means referring to something. Grammar will also help. If it comes before a noun, it might be describing how this noun is. Remember to do background work on expanding your vocabulary and understanding of prefixes and suffixes for your reading test. If this doesn't help either, just don't panic. Move on to the next question, and later return to the confusing part. 4. Don't leave any questions unanswered. Never leave any box unanswered. When you know there's no time left, just guess and write something. Why? You won't be penalized for incorrect answers. If you leave the cell in your answer sheet blank, you will get 0 points. For sure. But what if you strike lucky and manage to guess it? You will have at least one more point that could get you from band 6.5 to 7.0 in your reading test. That's why you should guess when out of time. How do we solve this? Set a timer and read for that duration of time. 30 minutes is a good time to start with. Allocate a reading time and space. Your focus will be infinitely stronger working from home with the phone in airplane mode and headphones on, rather than reading a book at the train station. Headphones. Block all distractions. I listen to rain sounds to increase focus. Next one is important tip. Active reading. This tip is more for students taking the paper-based test. When reading, actively mark your test paper. Underline any important phrases that you see in the text that helps you understand the passage or sums up the context of the reading. Circle keywords, and add asterisks in the margin for valuable fragments. These will act as references when you are searching for answers. Next tip is: first, make sure you understand the question. Many students panic when they see a long reading passage, but if you take the time to read the question carefully first, you'll often find that the passage isn't as daunting as it first seemed. Next, use the process of elimination to answer multiple choice questions. If you can eliminate one or two of the answer choices, you'll often be able to correctly guess the answer. Finally, don't forget to skim the passage for keywords and ideas. This can help you save time if you get stuck on a particular question.